Top of the morning to you folks. It's TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. Parking lot is empty over here at the point. I seen one guy going out. We're out in the Bay Flat Junior. Big Don to be with me today. Still waiting for Big Rudy to make it back. And also Big Ron to come back from Indiana, wherever he was at. Got to get our team back together here. Got about a 8 to 10, 11 mile an hour wind, southeast. Wind's always here. There goes all the geese. Made their head raise up. Got a whole flock of them there. Of course, my first mate's a little late, but that's okay. I'm in no hurry. Next to the Bay Flat Junior, folks, that's the trolling rig there. That is nice. That's a lake skiff with a 25 on it, but it's a 4-stroke Yamaha. Good setup. See that man out there, you know he's got it going. My first mate is driving the truck. He just dropped me off. Go to my little spot and pick him up. I only seen one boat going out, well, 2 boats really. One was a guide, one just launched. Looks like it might be a pretty day. The wind don't get us. Guess all folks, that's the trolling boat, guarantee it. Nice. If I didn't have this one, that's what I'd have right there. But I love the Bay Flat Junior. She does everything I need, folks. There's our wind gauge, not too bad. Hopefully that wind will die down a little bit when the sun comes up. Got a few clouds in the sky to keep the sun off of us. Plus we got a half a moon up there. It'll be a beautiful day, folks. I'm feeling like maybe 18 trout today. That's what I'm feeling like, 18. See how the Stay tuned, let's see how the petition works out. This message is to Mr. Jerry. Jerry, if you go with me and we troll Lake Pontchartrain, that's how you're going to get in and out the boat. I know you're 88 years old, but that's the way it has to be. Just got to take your time and stay low. It's only if you want to come trolling, Jerry. Right, folks, we're all geared up. We got our life jackets on. We got our kill switch on. We're ready. Don't think we need any lights because it's almost daylight, or it is daylight. See the clouds? The wind's with the clouds. I'd rather see the clouds and have a little wind than be out here in that sun, folks. Last time we was out here, it was gorgeous. It was I don't know, it had to be low 70s, low humidity, north wind. It's gorgeous, man. The only thing that wrong was the trout wasn't around. But hopefully today, we're going to get a few. All we can do is try, boss man. Let's do it. Alright, folks, we're just coming out the harbor right here, and you can see we're bouncing around pretty good here. Got a little stiff wind, but I think that wind, like it's usual, is going to lay down, I hope. We're out in no zone, no wake zone, so we're going to go a little further. I normally run out to that green sign out there. Buoy marker or a channel marker, and then I had take a right, head straight for the bridge. That puts me right where I want to start trolling at. Once again, good morning, happy Monday to you. Have a great week. I know we will. We're out here as usual on the walk. One of the tasks for senior first mate is to watch out for crab traps. Don't let me run over those crab traps. Bouncing around pretty good, but when we get out there, we'll be on the other side, on the west side of the train tracks, and it won't be as rough. The bridge is kind of like slowed them wave down a little bit. We're running about a little over half speed. I don't want to get beat up too bad. Clouds, overcast day. I don't know if y'all can see how big the rollers are. They're about a foot and a half. I just want you to see how it is over here, but watch how it is when we get to the other side, the west side of the train track. Ooh, that was a big one. One skiff he's trolling on this side. Well, that's the second fire break or the first fire break. Whoop, got a couple boats. No, we clean. Got a couple down there. Alright, where's the is it behind me? The buoy? Yeah, just way down there. Okay, I see it. Sees it.
Oh wow.
Alright, let's troll along here. That's where they caught them at yesterday, remember? There's a big one there, folks. Look. There it is. Water coming in the boat already. Folks, big Don's on.
Oh shit.
Oh, might be a catfish. Be careful flipping them in. Up, croaker, hooked them up sideways. Croaker or trout?
Little
Croaker? Big croaker.
no trout.
Trout?
A foul hook trout.
We went 5 feet, folks, and I hooked up with a little trout, lost it. Went another 5 feet to hit me again, caught a little trout, and we just caught another little trout. So we're having a little action. We just need to find a little bigger ones.
All right, here comes Stanley, baby. We're trying to get him going. A little trout. Well, we're in the nursery right now, but we're working it out. All right, boss is hooked up again. Coming in on the bottom. Let's see what we got. It's slowly getting bigger, but we're not quite there yet. Grow, baby, grow.
The boys got one, folks. Whoa. That folks, big Don. Oh, look at the size of that trout, bro.
Size, man. Come on, get off. Don't get off.
Check out the concentration on Don's face, man. Uh-oh, this might be a keeper. This might be a keeper. Ooh, yeah. Look out, look out. Whoa.
Another dink.
Another dink.
Didn't feel too good.
That's all right.
All right, we changed up locations a little bit. We moved more to the middle. Stanley's hooked up. Let's see what we got. Still waiting to put one in the box. Nice girl. Coming in. First one's in the box for the day. Nice.
Hey, folks, we got some action here this morning. Got plenty of bites. I guess we're in the nursery.
Could be junk. It's not moving at all. Rock. I knew
A
it.
rock. A rock. Long train, folks. Long train. Looks like this one's got something smoking on the back of it. Might be another engine pushing. Don't push. Yeah. There it is.
Yep. All right. Seen some little diving birds here just off the trestles. So, and we got a little catfish under it for our troubles. Looks like a little bird right here diving on some shad.
Hi, Big Rudy. The birds are diving on a slick. We made a pass through them. Caught one catfish. But they're diving on the slicks out here. I know y'all did good a couple years ago, maybe last year. Y'all did real good with the slicks. Birds are diving. Catfish.
Okay. Awesome. Little foul hook catfish. Self-release. There you go. Yeah, here we go.
Coming in hot, baby. Coming in hot.
Uh-oh, this one's threatening. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. What? Trout of the day, baby.
He grew up.
All right, that's what we're looking for. All right, Moss is hooked up again. Let's see what we got. We got the catfish on top.
No eggs.
Still looking for the spot. Fishing hard. And we're gonna try to find it. Alright, Stanley's coming in the middle. Oh, got another little dink, but at least we're catching some fish. Still looking for the spot. Alright, Stanley's hooked up. Going through some small ones, a few catfish. Still trying to find it. Uh-oh, got a jumper. Oh, fish of the day, baby. That's what we're looking for. Nice. Alright, so he's hooked up again. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a little gaff top in the middle. Stanley's scraping everything off the bottom right now. And unfortunately, that's what's on the bottom. Still looking.
Hey folks, Big Don's got one here. Looks like a cat the way he's diving. Meow! 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 Oh yeah, little hardy hat, They're full of eggs, folks.
Here we go. Stanley's coming in with something. He thinks it's a flounder. Might convert into something else. Oh, it's a decent one. Yeah. Yeah, that's a little keeper flounder. We haven't had one of those in a while.
Alright folks, we got a little action here. Big Don's on. It looks like might be a nice one. Been a while since we caught a trout. We just caught a big flounder, but things are slow. We're out here by 17 mile marker 174. We just came out this way. Nice trout, nice trout. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! Don has done turned on, folks. Can't stop him. Got a nice one coming in. Fighting hard, he said. Look at that low pole. That's the Cherrywood 6-foot rod. Gus has them over there by him. Nice little trolling rod. Where the, ooh, monster. Shoo! Boom. All right, folks, that's why we out here, baby. Ooh, yes, sir.
All right, got Stanley coming in. Things are heating up a little bit. Uh-oh, and this one looks like it's fighting. I think we could get some shoulders on this one. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. All right, well, we found the big girls.
Cat there. Oh, lovely. All right, folks, we just about ran out of bullets. And what I mean by bullets, trailers, that prefabricated trailers. We lost about 7 today. Beautiful day though. Wind kind of laid down to pick back up. We got 17 trout, 5 hardheads, 3 gaff tops, 1 big flounder, and 1 big. Yeah, we got them in there. We're gonna do a chair shot. Pelicans are diving all around out here. I don't know if you see that one right there, but there's about 8 of them diving around. We're gonna head on in. 11:23. Go back in and prefabricate some more trailers.
All right.
All right, folks. Had a good day today. Caught a few of them. Give you the chair shot. Rudy's not here to do it, so I had to do it for you. Yeah, nice trip today.
Yep. Boom.
Pontoon boat fishing off the point over there. It's that marsh man. He caught 3-4 pound trout right there. Next day they had 50 people there. Another guy over here. I don't know what he's doing. We had a good trip. I mean, wasn't no slaughter. Had a lot of action though.
Yeah.
Think?
I think it was great, man. We worked hard, grinded it out, put a decent little box together. Made a good trip.
I think so.
Oh.
Our wind gauge is about the same, folks. Flag is straight out. It was nice out there. The wind died down for a little while. Still nice. We just lost all our bullets. I mean, we don't have no more prefabricated trailers, and it's kind it's so hard to tie it on the water. So I'm gonna go home and fabricate. I gotta get at least 10. I got 4. I need to replace 4 of my rods, and I want 6 pairs. That'll take me about an hour and a half to do that. No big deal.